What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to guide you through the 6 steps to form an LLC with Bizee. We will provide a comprehensive walkthrough of the essential aspects involved in establishing a limited liability company. So, let's start. Step 1. Name your LLC. The name of your LLC is the first impression you make on your customers. It should be distinctive and convey what you do and what you care about. In most states, you'll also need to add LLC or limited company to the end of your business name to convey that it's an LLC. Step 2. Provide an address. You will need to provide a designated business address for your LLC. If you're operating your business from home, your company address can be the same as your home address. However, each state can set its own rules and regulations for addresses, so double check with your state requirements before completing this step. Step 3. Assign a registered agent. A registered agent is a requirement for every state. They'll be in charge of receiving all your documents and keeping in contact with your state government. You can make yourself or a managing director your company's registered agent, but we strongly recommend founders don't serve as their own agents. Step 4. Provide names and addresses of LLC members. You will need to let the government know the names and addresses of your LLC members. You can register these addresses as street addresses or PO boxes. Step 5. State the purpose of your LLC. You will need to state the purpose of your business. If you're still working out the kinks of your business purpose, many states will accept a blanket statement of any lawful purpose when filing. Step 6. File the articles of organization. The final step is to file these formal documents with your state agency and pay any state fees. If you form your LLC with Bizee, they will file these documents on your behalf, saving you time and allowing you to get back to what matters. Forming an LLC grants business owners access to the same liability protection of a corporation with a flexibility of a sole proprietorship. It reduces complexity and regulations commonly found with other business entities, boasts a simple formation process, ease of LLC management, and pass-through taxation. As a business owner, you always need to be looking to the future. You'll also need to maintain compliance with the state regulations, including periodical reports, additional filing fees, and annual tax requirements. If you work with Bizee, you can take those taxing to-dos off your plate for good. Forming an LLC can be a simple and straightforward process. By following these 6 steps, you can start your own business and enjoy the benefits of an LLC. Remember to stay compliant with the state regulation and work with Bizee to take stress off your plate. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.